Yusuf. Suka ke? Sabar, tapi present buka nanti last tau. Kita celebrate birthday you dulu. Present buka last tau. Okay, sabar. You duduk sini, duduk sini. Duduk sini dulu. Ya. Yeah. Nah. Ambil ni, bawa sana. Yusuf. Yusuf. I kidding je, cakap tak ada present.
Kenapa kita yang berapa kali yang nak cakap?
Suka tak?
Kita suka.
Kita celebrate dulu Kita tunggu Wan dulu, okay?
Okay.
Dah dapat dah setting.
Hi guys. Ni birthday I. Part apa? Part 3.
Today kita celebrating Yusuf's birthday. Yusuf turn 7. Yay!
It also says it over here.
Yeah. Yusuf turn 7. Okay. Adik tidur kan? Jom kita nyanyi lagu happy birthday kat Yusuf sama-sama nyanyi tau?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Pretend that you blow the candle.
Yeah!
Slowly. Ada tidur. Yay! Mana kat kek? Ya?
Yeah.
Play tak? Is it recording? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm learning how to cut stuff now.
Sorry.
Hey, I'm a professional cutter when I'm 6 years old. Mommy, now when I'm 6 years old, I can cut a full thing cut with professional. Since I'm so proud. The happy birthday, the happy birthday,
Oh. Is it locked? Okay. So, dah pakai kan?
Okay. Ready.
You want to leave it up yourself? You want to leave it up yourself? Mommy help you.
Mommy help me because I don't know how to slide it under there. Yeah, that's a giant slice, Mommy. Be careful.
Show to the camera. Show closer. Sana.
And I'm going to show you this rainbow cake I always eat for every birthday. Look at this. I eat this for every birthday. Give me. Beautiful. Jenny, the dog.
That's the traditional. So, basic guys. 80. Dulu 70 kan?
Tastes like butter.
Just like butter. You eat the butter part. You eat like the big one.
I ate the cake. I didn't eat the butter. I think I'm on. Mama, I think
Tapi yang besar. Dah dia boleh sedap kan? Dua inci lah. Dia tak sehat ni, dia masuk. Kena air tak?
Guys, help! I need to move Sorry. My bad.
So gampang guys buat postpone. Hari ni, kita boleh? Pak dulu.
Hey, look at my shirt, by the way.
Hero.
Wait, what? I am a superhero. It's spelled wrong, okay? Don't judge it. Do not judge me. It's spelled terbalik.
Jangan musuh. Faham?
Duduk.
Apa?
Hi guys, you're close to me. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's just let's just do.
Oh yeah, I said simpan dalam ni. So nak eat, birthday boy nak eat.
Yeah, birthday boy nak
Dah
eat.
nak ambil ni.
First time you said I'm a birthday boy.
You are.
Main big boy.
Smells delicious.
Big boy.
Okay, bye guys. We're going to eat first, so bye.
Hi, adik is here.
Adik's here. Just
Nana.
ignore the
Nana, ayah sini.
crying sound.
Nana, ayah sini.
This is the Mamma Mia.
Nice.
Mari.
Mana?
ASMR.
Mari sini. Kenapa tak nak? Hai, sini.
Keluar.
Sini.
Come.
Hai. Ni, ayah. Bagi ayah ni. Ni ayah.
Dekat.
Boleh.
Why are you crying, adik?
Makan kali ni.
Itu? Sini lah, ayo. Duduk. Nak sok? Main lah.
Dah.
Dah, sini ayo. Last one, okay? Sini, dek.
Dah.
Dah.
Last one.
Dek nasi.
Jana.
Dek nasi.
Jana, come.
Kau
Sebenarnya Hana tak bangun lagi. Oh.
dengar dia jerit.
Hana melolong tu orang kata. Esok Hana boleh? Jana.
Go.
You sudah makan? Sudah? Ya. Excited lah.
Kau buat dia, kau buat dia.
Oh guys, I'm going to play my new slide. That Mommy and I have bought.
Aisyah, ambil sos ya? Boleh? Aisyah,
Dia tak makan cili sangat.
tu sana.
Ambil
Tepi oven. Ni, belakang saji. Ini saji.
Ada nak? Siap.
Adik.
Ayah, bagi adik.
Go. Nak ni.
I don't understand. Okay, so guys, I'm holding the camera. This is Mommy, the beautiful Mommy, and this is the beautiful Hannah. And this is the beautiful Jana, and this is the beautiful one, and then this is the handsome Ayah. Then this is the handsome Yusuf, which is I'm the birthday boy. Wait, hold on. Okay, so these are my presents, and this is my other set of presents. Are you excited? I'll take that silence as yes. Okay, so yeah, that's all. Hannah isn't very excited.
Hana sick.
Wait, what? By the way, so I have to show you inside my birthday. Bye. Okay, so Mommy, what do you have to say about my birthday?
I want to wish you a very happy birthday, my lovely son. I love you so much. I will give the world to you, but I will not give you because I don't have enough money. But
How will you
but-
buy the world?
but I try my best to be a good mother to you, and I want you to be a good brother and a good son. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Jangan lupa solat. You dah 7 tahun dah tak boleh tinggal solat dah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hannah, what do you have to say about it? Okay, how about Jana? What do you have to say about it? You just silent. Okay, Wan, apa yang nak cakap?
I nak cakap I sayang you sangat-sangat. I nak you jadi cucu yang terbaik, yang soleh, anak yang terbaik, anak yang berbakti pada mami, ayah, adik-adik. Okey? Nak Yusuf jadi berjaya dunia dan akhirat. Amin.
Okay, Amin.
Ayah? Read the letter. I mean from ayah.
From Ayah to Yusuf. Okay, let's just rip this because I can't really get it. Rip it out of here. So. Okay. So to Yusuf, my love. Ayah, why did you do this in style? I can't even read it.
Ayah buat tulisan berangkat je ayah.
Mami.
Okay.
I love me, little boy. What does this say?
Betul. Selamat.
Selamat hari
Buka. Lahir.
lahir yang
Yang kedua.
kedua
Semoga ayah tulisan kau.
Ni, ayah baca.
Lebih dari doktor.
Lah sini, you baca dengan ayah.
Okey.
Dua.
Jangan ayah.
Semoga
Yusuf
akan
akan
jadi
menjadi anak yang soleh dan
berjaya
berjaya
dunia
dunia
dan
dan
di
di
akhirat.
akhirat. Some words I don't even know.
Semoga
Yusuf akan lebih dengar cakap bila dah masuk
ni barulah ayah
tak marah. Tak jadi
Grumpy ayah.
From tengok. From grumpy ayah.
grumpy ayah.
Okay, next Yusuf. Letter
Judge yourself.
Yusuf, next letter from Mummy and Wan. Come.
Okay, ni
Duduk.
ni, buat ke? Okay, daripada Wan. Selamat hari. At least Wan tak buat in style. Selamat hari.
Jadi.
Jadi Yusuf, Wan saya Yusuf. Tu je.
Okay.
Wan tu je ke?
Simple, senang you baca. Okay.
Okay. Let's baca the beautiful mommy punya letter.
Beautiful tak tinggal. Sayang. Tapi English.
So,
ya.
today you turn 7 years old. Mommy hope you will be more happy and be much responsible with yourself and
Half chores.
House chore. Mommy love you. I hope you like the present. Aww, love you, Mommy.
I love you too.
I love you.
Mami. Oh, you
Don't forget to hug.
Okay.
Hug, Mommy. Hug ayah.
Ui, kemek dah punya adik.
Hug one. Mommy.
Okey, ni.
Okay.
Ayah adik.
Ayah.
Yeah, come.
Okay, first one. Let me choose.
Okay.
Maybe this one.
Okay. Ni from ayah.
From ayah. Ayah.
Yeah.
Okay. Give the choice to mommy ke?
Yes.
Oh. That's it.
Yusuf, duduk sini, kat sini silau. Sini.
Okay. Over here.
Koyak je. Mami lah.
Is this a Lego Lamborghini?
Yeah.
Like it.
Ayah.
Nanti boleh buat dengan ayah.
You sure? I'm sure.
Yeah.
Go open. Ada.
Ada one.
Yeah. But
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Belum lagi, nanti hancur. Buka kotak dulu. Ini from ayah juga.
Ayah pun?
Ha.
Why am I choosing Ayah first? I don't even know from
Ayah kan love you even though ayah grumpy.
Well, here we go. Another box. Super annoying. Oh, yeah, did it. Oh, there's a lot of cars and this is the one from Mommy and Ayah. Right.
Right.
Me from Mommy.
Yeah. You like it?
No, get it.
Tengok. Show.
There's a lot of them.
A lot kan?
Yeah. There's even one from Mommy's bed.
Hmm.
And even from Mother.
Ui. Kedekut
Ada dia pegang. Ada tak ambil pun, tak buka pun.
Okay, lagi next.
Bagi ada.
Bagi ada pegang je. Okay.
Sounds like Lego. So, ni from siapa?
Ni from ayah juga.
Kenapa?
You pick ayah punya. Yang blue one ayah punya. Yang ni ayah punya. Ni mami. Ni one. Ni Mama Long.
Adik beri ke abang. Bagi ke abang. Abang dia nak bagi.
Oh, terima kasih, Dek.
Dia macam baby dia.
What is this? What is this? Some of them I don't know. Some of them I know it. But some of them I don't know. Like this one. I don't know it. This is a Paganti Gonda.
Jangan baling. Tak appreciate ke?
I appreciate.
Okay.
Tapi I kind of garang sih.
Garang sebab nak cepat. Okay, cepat.
Ya, nak cepat. Sebab ada banyak present.
Banyak apa komplain? Ni from ayah juga. Apa tu? Oh ni lah. You boleh.
What's this? What is this?
Lego.
Not Lego. Puzzle.
Puzzle.
This is a million. I literally got it first try. I got a million pieces.
Million pieces.
1,000.
You like it? Huh? Do you like it? Puzzle?
Yeah.
Show to the camera.
I don't even know if I can.
We can do it together, okay?
Okay, let's just paper.
Kita boleh buat sama-sama. Adik, kau pijak kenapa?
Wait, was that one for you? Was that one from you?
No, for ayah. This one from mommy. This one from mommy.
Ooh.
Tapi adik nak rekod abang.
You have already bought me expensive hot
Oh my god.
trap. And now you got me another. You got me another because you're scared that the other one didn't work anymore.
No, I just want to buy for you.
Oh, okay. Well,
I know last time you want this one, right?
wait a minute. Oh yeah, when I was like 5 years old at the mall.
You ingat pun. Ni lah. You like it? Say what?
Terima kasih. But.
Oh, yang mami.
Mami yang mahal. Ayah banyak tapi mahal juga. Ni from mami juga.
Wow! Wow!
chocolate.
Oh wow, it even comes with the Tesla ATV thing.
You like it?
Oh, I love it. I love it so much. It has so much features. Oh, there's your favorite one. Wow.
Okay, cepat.
Banyak pula.
Nah.
Ini from ayah. Duduk boleh tak? Ya Allah, penat yang aku nak rekod.
Okay, stop.
Bagi adik.
Cakap apa kat ayah?
Terima kasih. Aduh, kenapa dia bagi I puzzle?
Kenapa? Supaya boleh bersabar jadi orang yang lebih penyabar.
Lah. I'm not really sabar yet.
Ni from Mama Long.
Mama Long?
Mm.
Terima kasih Mama Long kalau you tengok ni. Dan Kalish dan Kasha. Oh, it's a plastic.
Diam. Tengok dulu dalam. Smiggle.
Galing-galing tu.
How I open it?
Just koyak je. Tengok apa dalam dia.
Bakul dia.
Betul lah. Betul.
Ooh, it's a Sonic bag.
Wow, show to the camera.
Yeah, it's the Sonic bag that Rahadian has.
You nak ni kan?
Yeah.
Ya. Smiggle. Beg Smiggle weh. Next.
Saya banyak ya.
Ni satu lagi tertinggal. Ayah ambil adik rasanya dia terkencang atas mami. Ni.
Ada buka yang ni.
Jom.
Ni from Wan. Ni from Wan.
Wan.
Cakap apa kat Wan? Cakap apa kat Wan?
Terima kasih Wan.
Dia kena buka satu-satu tau. Dia kena ada.
Wek. Besar. Sekejap.
Okay guys. Wait a minute. I know this.
What?
This is a Roblox suit. One. I think yang shirt ni I dah ada dah.
What you have?
What colour you have?
Black.
Black.
Ya.
Ya ke?
At least you boleh align sebab yang dulu dah hilang dah.
You go. Letak sekali dengan ni. Letak sekali dengan seluar kat tepi ni.
Cakap apa?
Terima kasih Wan.
Tengoklah.
Tengok gambar dia.
Aduh.
Dia kena tengok satu-satu.
Buka.
Aduh, ini panas.
Kena rajin.
You cakap you nak pink shade kan? Nak pakai macam Jinu. Pink shade. Buka lah. Buka belakang.
Nanti. Okay.
Buka lah plastiknya. Tengok plastiknya.
Okay lah.
5.
Daripada siapa?
Seluar ada 2 tu. Kan?
Oh ya. Yeah.
Same. Seluar hitam laka gaya. Habis sepah. Buang sampah esok.
Macam-macam boleh hitam. Jom. Meh. Tik.
Thank you.
Tik.
Say thank you Yusof, everyone.
Thank you Wan. Thank you Wan for everything.
Okay. You're welcome.
I love you. I love you semua yang belikan present.
Love you too.
If it's one of you guys, I love you too guys.
Oh, adik. Mehu hara.
We're going to open this. Mommy, can you do it?
Sabar.
Okay, so guys, unboxing this one. How do I? Wow! Wow! What's this? Instructions. You have to assemble it yourself. Yeah, you have to assemble it yourself. Okay.
I don't need this.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Don't mess it up. Let's switch this with tiny fast. Dang!
Biarlah dia tu. Kongsi. Wow, Subaru.
We need to put it somewhere else.
Tak ada nak semuanya.
Jangan nak kacau.
Ada nak main juga.
Ada banyak.
Adik ada 2 nasi ah.
240